Turning your engine 11J76 engine turn. Engine is turning good. Compressor here is good, no damage, no broken, very nice, no problem. On top, the alternators look good, no damage, didn't see any damages. And the turbo from this side is look good. Turbo is good, spinning is good, and no up and down, yeah. This turbo is good. And from this side, everything is good, didn't see any damages, very nice, very good. And this is the water pipe. And here is the water pipe. Water pipe is good. No orange pipe. As you can see here, no orange pipe. On top, everything is good. Didn't see any damages. And from this side, the starter also look good. Didn't see any damages. Very nice, very good. The diesel pump also good. Didn't see any damages. Very nice. Down here, the oil sump and the gearbox also good. No damage, no broken. And the engine is turning good.